Hey everyone, Sister Michelle here from SisterDIY.com, and I am so excited about today's video because I am making navy bean pie. This is my favorite pie and I cannot wait to share this video, so let's get started. I'm going to start by measuring out 2 cups of cooked navy beans, and I'm just going to add about a tablespoon of the liquid to help me with pureeing this in the food processor. Now I'm using a food processor today, but I have also used a blender, and you can even use a potato masher. I just like my beans to be super smooth, so I'm using a food processor today. Now I'm going to mix 1 stick of butter with my brown sugar and my granulated sugar. You could definitely use all brown sugar or all granulated sugar. I just like to mix the two, but it's totally up to you. Now you just want to mix this until everything starts coming together. Next, we're going to add our cinnamon, our nutmeg, our vanilla, and our flour. Give everything a good mix. And now we're going to add our pureed navy beans. Next, we're going to add our eggs, and we're going to mix them one at a time, mixing well in between each egg. The last thing I'm going to add is the half and half. Traditionally, most people will use evaporated milk. I just prefer to use half and half because it comes in a carton as opposed to a can. Now just give everything a good mix. I'm going to give this batter one final stir just to make sure everything is incorporated. And then I'm going to pour half of the batter into my very homemade, very rustic pie crust. Now just bake for 1 hour or until set. Once your pie is done, you want to cool it on a wire rack. I decided to add a pie shield just to make sure that my crust didn't get too brown. Now you want to allow this pie to cool at least for 30 minutes until you cut it. I love eating my pie warm. My husband likes to eat his cold. Either way, it is so good, and I really hope that you try this recipe, especially if you have never had bean pie before. You are going to love it. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. For exact measurements and other recipes, visit sisterdiy.com.